Hey, good morning everybody. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Mosquito Lagoon Site Fishing Charters, and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters. First of all, I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope everybody's having a beautiful, wonderful day out there. And today I'm going to do a little talk about a product that was sent to me that I'm going to do another video here in the future. And this is a portable heater that runs on propane, a water heater that you can heat the water. And I'm going to use this on my boat. I'm just trying to figure out a way to be able to make the video. So there's times out in the wintertime when we're fishing, you know, it'd be really nice to have some warm water instead of ice cold water. And I saw this, and whether it's a sailboat or pontoon boat or whatever, you could pretty much use this anywhere. It comes with everything that you need. It's got the, there's your LP tank connection and all that kind of good stuff. But let's pull this out and take a look at it and see what we got going on here, what we're working with. It's very well made, high quality, very nice. And another thing we were going to try to use it for, and I'm not sure to do a video, is when we go to Asia, a friend of ours lives in a pretty remote area. I was like, this would be cool to be able to show them how over there they have a way to heat some water and all that kind of good stuff. The problem is I'm just not sure how somebody like that would get a hold of, you know, this product, one, or two. It's a remote place in Asia, or two, propane or something like that. So I figure I'm going to try it on the boat. I've tried it on the boat a couple times. I just keep running into video problems making the video. So I figured I'm just going to do a talk about here. And this is a really nice product. It's well made. It looks really nice. But I'm pretty sure the way it works is you turn it on, it heats up, the water runs through it, and it's just the flow that's heating up. So it says it's 110 psi, 34,000 BTUs per hour is what it does. I'm trying to see if it says how much water it does heat up. It says turn on water flow. The burners will ignite automatically. Adjust your water temperature by rotating the flame. Set the flame to max and water. All that good stuff. It looks great. So it's got a gas inlet, a water outlet, and a water inlet. And obviously, you know, you're going to bring cold water, warm water in. You got your gas out, or your water in, water out, all that kind of good stuff. It's designed for camping. It's a camping, but, you know, I was like, on the boat, it's going to work great. It's got places to hang it and all that kind of good stuff. Let me set this to the side and see what's in this other box here. Let's see what we got going on here. What do we got in here? Okay, so this is the wall bracket. This is a bracket that you're going to use to hang it on the wall, which I don't think in the boat I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to hang it off the center console with some bungees, because, you know, when you're on a boat, there's really nowhere. Now, the boat I'm using it's on going to be like that. It's not like it's going to be, we do have a friend that's got a sailboat that we've offered to put it on there, and we may do that. Okay, so here's your water input and all that kind of good stuff. Sorry, it's windy out here today. But yeah, what a great little product. It's from a company called Camplux, and they make quite a bit of these. Great reviews, great little product. I'm going to get, you know, as soon as I can get another video up and going, we're going to try it, and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.